We extend a warm welcome to all of you to celebrate another important milestone in the life of our children, their graduation from our Nodai. And as you know already that you've been with us for 3 years, the ground rules is that please note you can use all your cameras, handy cameras. You are given the opportunity to completely use it today.
Make full use of it.
But please see that your cell phones are on silent mode or switched off so that you enjoy this program completely.
And while taking photos and videographs, please don't obstruct the other viewers. You can come sit down or stand at the other side. Thank you.
I think it's a very much, a day that we all have looked forward for such a long time. So we don't want to miss even a small glimpse of it. So please take care of it. When you're taking the videos and photographs, please don't obstruct. As it is a big day for the children, we are aware that it is just as big for our parents too. After 3 years of education through the Montessori method, these children will be transitioning to the elementary method, elementary education. This celebration is the wonderful years they have spent with us and for the bright future awaiting for them. It's time to welcome our friends.
Each child is unique in her behavior and attitude. As they mature, they leave an indelible mark in our hearts. Our young graduates are no exceptions. It's a great pleasure to have them with us. It is indeed a privilege for us to invite our young graduates onto the stage. Red, blue, green, yellow, so many colors around us.
Yes, our friend Adarsh can create beautiful things, and so let's welcome Adarsh.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Adarsh, the artist.
And we ask Shohan to bring Adarsh. Thank you, Shohan.
Laughter is the best.
But even if I don't agree, Adrit completely agrees and follows it.
Here comes Adrit, a happy-go-lucky boy. Let's request Janya to please escort Adrit. Even now he's smiling. But Ma, the cow called me and asked me to taste the milk. How could I refuse? Who can say this dialogue?
Any guesses? Except our Nutcut Krishna. Please put your hands together and welcome Akshay, the Nutcut Krishna.
I request Bharat to please escort Akshay. I'm obedient. I talk politely with a smile. I don't frown over things. Can you guess who I am?
Oh, Anita, you did not spare me from the questions. I think I can guess. It's Alan, the Mr. Perseverance. I request Lokanshu to escort Alan. Parents, please, we've just started. Ma'am, the shooting schedule is fixed at 4 p.m. Is it all right?
No, I'm busy today. Can you please do it some other day? I'm obedient. I talk politely with a smile. I don't frown over things. Can you guess who I am?
Oh, Anita, you did not spare me from the questions. I think I can guess. It's Alan, the Mr. Perseverance. I request Lokanshu to escort Alan. Parents, next at 4 p.m. Is it alright?
No, I'm busy today. Can you please do it some other day?
Ma'am, our hero, Arnav, isn't free otherwise.
Okay, you can call him this morning. I'm free.
Oh, that's okay. We have a shoot with Mr. Arnav, the actor, the famous actor. Please put your hands together, the superstar Arnav. Her feet are always dancing, the grace, the rhythm. I really get lost watching her dance.
Thank you, Manjula. I know you're talking about me.
Anita, dance just doesn't relate only to you. You have a competitor. And so let's welcome Bhavishya, the dancer. Kushanga is escorting Bhavishya, the dancer.
We all love listening to the chirping of the bird, and here comes the chirping bird of Arnoday, Dhriti Patil. I request Shubham Dey, who's that? Showman to escort her.
I love friends, I help, feel, talk, share, and like to do everything with friends. Friends, 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 as the old saying goes, a friend in need is a friend indeed. And so I am called as the king of friends. And here comes a Jagrut, the king. Janya, can you please escort Jagrut?
Beauty. Who am I? Who am I? Yes, it's Khatija, the peacock of Arnoday.
Bharat is escorting Khadija, the peacock.
Khatija, come here.
We all love stories, don't we? Here comes someone who can captivate everyone with his stories. Welcome Parth Advani, the storyteller.
He has a story for everything. Mama did this, Papa did this.
पार्थ यहाँ पे आ जाओ, पार्थ यहाँ पे आ जाओ.
I like to sing,
I like to dance.
I like to read.
I like to paint.
We have a child with us who likes to do all this. She is also the leader of a gang, Miss Perfectionist. Welcome Pia Advani, the Miss Perfectionist. The jolly boy of Arnoday. Any guesses? It's our Pramad, the jolly boy of Arnoday. Oh, look at his smile. We are all taken away by his smile. Anita, do you know what happened with them?
Manjula, not now. Please stop it. Let's welcome our next friend. We can gossip later.
Curiosity kills the cat, as the saying goes. An understanding of the natural world and what's in it is a source of not only a great curiosity, but a great fulfillment. So, here's Miss Rochana, the Miss Curious.
Manjula, have you heard about Subhash Chandra Bose, the determined personality? Buddha, the pious, the Aryabhatta, a mathematician.
Oh, Anita, I can't read anymore, please.
Manjula, then let's welcome the scholar of Arnoday, Samarth.
Samarth, the scholar of Arnoday. Janya is escorting Samarth. Why are flowers colorful? Why is the sky blue?
Stop. You are the doubts always.
Isn't that good?
Yeah, sometimes, but we don't have answers sometimes, so you should think about that also.
We are honored to have Takshal, the Mr. Doubtfire of Arnoday. Parents, please put your hands together and welcome Takshal. I think a big round of applause for all.
Say the children should be the chief guest and not the adults, no? But we could not activate this for a long time because it is in our society. Very influential, respected person will come as a chief guest. So, but in this year, it is a great success for me. Who can you imagine who is our chief guest? None other than Mr. Master Nikhilesh Patil. Come here. And Miss Niharika. Miss Niharika, they are our chief guests. And they are here, something I'll talk about them. Their early education, they have started with me. Niharika completed, she becomes senior and then went in a high school for further studies. Both of them, they went together. And now, you are in class 5, no? Standard 5. Niharika is in standard 5 and Nikhil, you are in first standard. First standard. And they are the ex-student of this, Nikhil please. And Nikhilesh's name is according to my husband's name. His grandfather actually addressed him as Nikhilesh Patil, no? Second, the name was given to him. It's a great thing for me that I could invite them as the special guests in our Montessori family. Please be seated. Thank you. One minute. It's a great occasion for us, so we start our program with the prayer, first to the
Institutional prayer.
Institutional prayer. Children, be seated there, my darlings, down here.
life. In its brief course lies all the realities and the verities of existence, the bliss of growth, the splendor of action, the glory of power. For yesterday is but a dream and tomorrow is only a vision. But today, well lived, makes every yesterday a dream of happiness and every tomorrow a vision of hope. Look well, therefore, to this day. This is written by Howard Phelan, chairman of World Book. In fact, parents, I think we can put our hands together for the dance.
They wanted to go to other town to do some shopping. Let's see what happens. Tell me, Peter, did you feed Snowy? Yes, Father, I did. Where are we going so early? We are going to the other town to do some shopping. Come on, hurry up. It's getting late. They walk a little and meet the men. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Where are you going so early? We are going to the other town. From? Forgive us for asking. Why are you going on foot? Ride on your donkey. I think they are right, Father. Tell me why. I appreciate your advice and goodbye. It's getting late. Who's going to ride the donkey? You, Father. I can walk. The father gets on the donkey and walks a little and meets the woman carrying basket. Good morning. Good morning. I know this is none of my business. But why is this poor little sweet boy walking? And why is this strong man riding the donkey? I think they're right, Father. Okay, I will get off the donkey and you get on. The father gets on the donkey, gets off the donkey, and his son gets on. They walk a little and meet the old man. Good morning. Oh my, when I was young, these things never happened. Why is this young healthy boy riding the donkey and his poor father is walking? This is so disrespectful, oh my. What do you think about the old man said, sir? I think they're right, father. It would be better if you two ride the donkey. The father gets on the donkey. Now both are riding the donkey and walk a little and meet the girl. What a sweet donkey! His name is Snoky. Poor Snoky, look at his tired face. And why are you both riding on this poor donkey? Poor donkey, poor donkey, poor donkey. And now what are we going to do, my son? I think they're right, father. Snoky looks tired. Let's carry him by ourselves and nobody will criticize us. Okay, let's see what happens. Both get off the donkey and carry him. They can hardly walk. Oops. What this? We never seen anything like this. Ha 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 ha. What a pair of fools! What a pair of fools! How funny you look carrying the donkey! How funny you look carrying the donkey! Fools! 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 And now what are we going to do, my son? To tell you the truth, I don't know, Father. We did what they told us to do, but we couldn't please them. Everybody criticized us. And now they laugh at us. Look, my son, I wanted you to see with your own eyes that there are many different opinions and that is not possible to please everybody. I can see that, Father. They laugh at us because we try to please them. What are we going to do now? Well, you must think right and decide what you think is better. If not everybody agrees, I know what to do. You will ride the donkey halfway and I will ride him the other half. Along the way, we can also walk so that Snowy can rest. Well done, my son. We will do just that. Come on, Snowy, start walking. Thank you.
Hands together for these children. Let me introduce you the characters. First and the foremost, Takshu is the narrator of the story.
Different people have different opinions. Think.
And the role played as a father is our Samath.
Well done, my son. We will do just that. You must think right.
And the son is our Adrit.
You're right, Father. Namaste.
Of course, a cute, sweet little donkey is our Arnav. The men in the skit are Jagrav, Akshay and Pramat.
What's this? We have never seen anything like this. Ha 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 ha.
And the ladies in the skit is Dhriti Patil and Bhavishya. Of course, we are missing Anushka here.
What a pair of fools.
The old men are Adush, Alan and Pat Advani.
Ha ha! You look carrying a donkey. How funny! Look carrying a donkey.
And the girls are Rochana, Khadija and Tia.
Fools! Fools! Fools!
Thank you, my friends.
Namaste.
What you have done as, I think you will be telling us. Please walk one round. One round. You are going to tell us what you have done. Hello.
Namaste to one and all present here. I don't know when they said today there is a fancy dress, you need to dress up like someone. I didn't have any other choice other than presenting myself as a Montessorian. Yes, true, I'm getting trained as a Montessorian and this year is going to be an important task for me. Rather than a task, it's a new beginning for me. And I'm feeling proud that my son is graduating today under Ms. Sumita Aunty, and she's a legend. I feel she's a legend for all the Montessorians, and I'm really proud that my son is getting graduated under her. What more to say about her? She's like light to all the children, and regarding Vidya auntie, she is like, without her, parents like me and other working parents, it would be very difficult. And she's also a source of help, and she's kind of disciple of Sumita auntie. And I'm really proud that I've put my son under a Montessori environment, and today he's grown up, and what else? Thank you for all of your help, and I wish to extend my sincere thanks and gratitude to all the members of Arnoday family. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Adarsh's parents. But we'll have an interactive session. This is a ramp walk.
Yeah.
Thank you. Let's go ahead. Now we have Adrit's parents. Adarsh's parents, you have to stand here. Please stand. Yes. They look like they have come from Kerala traditional dress. Thank you. And here's Aksha's parents. Rajshri Reddy and Jitendra Kaur Reddy. Oh, that's great. Who wants to say?
I'm dressed as a Kashmiri, and I have a boathouse, in Kashmir. Please come. I welcome all the tourists there. It's a lovely place. You'll really get mesmerized by the scenery. As I would like to guide you through Kashmir once you come. And this is...
Hi, I'm a tourist currently touring Kashmir, and Kashmir is a very beautiful place with beautiful people. And I just found the Kashmir apple, and he's the love of my life now. And I brought her to Bangalore, so all you can see. Thank you.
You can sing that song for us. Kashmir mein to Kanyakumari.
Lovely. Thank you, Aksha's parents. And I hope a typical Kerala dress. Very nice. But the little girl also is doing the ramp walk. Neha. Neha, you also going to Kerala?
It's been a wonderful experience for the last 3 years. When we were searching for schools, the first thing I heard, homework. Oh. Even when I was a kid, I was not ready for the homework. Then forget about my son's homework. I'm not going for that. Then I heard about Arunodaya. Okay, no homework. Good place. I put him here. We are happy. And when we're in the office, at tea time we discuss. So others tell, okay, my son can write A, B, C, D, and he can read. Okay, what does your son do? He can broom, he can mop, he can clean. Nice. We are again happy. Thank you, Arunodaya, for the last 4 years, keeping us away from all the homework things. And today, previously, like when I used to read stories for him, but last 1 week things have changed. He used to read for him. Okay, I sleep. Again, it's a wonderful experience. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Alice. Very kind of you. Now, do we have Anushka's parents waiting? I could see Anushka. Oh, there. Where was the mother? She's in Jaipur. Okay. Ramp walk.
Good morning, everybody. What can I say? There is no words to explain about her. I can say. First, when I came, uncle was there. My first baby, when came in, then my uncle checked. From that day, I decided that my child going to study here. And from that time to till date, my all childs and my brother's child are coming here, and I found it very different. Very, very different. I can say that I have left my daughter here for 2 years and I am staying in Udaipur. Because of her. I can't say anything. There is no word for me to explain her.
Thank you so much, Anushka's father. Now we have Arnav's parents, but no, you can walk along with her. You can walk along with her, Arnav's mother.
Yeah, thank you very much, everybody. And this is really good experience to have our children they are studying in Arnav school. Because Arnav, as we know, it's a very naughty. I don't know how teachers are controlling him in his school. And his energy is unmatchable. And whenever he's at home also, it's very difficult to engage him in one task. So we keep changing, as auntie is suggesting us, to keep changing different activities so that he's busy. And after spending 3 years in this another school, I really seeing him growing in a very innovative child. And whatever he does with full concentration. Whatever he's doing, he's doing it at his best. And best part is that sometimes he surprises with his kinds of questions, his doubts, his answers. It's really we can't see that this age of child can ask and display this kind of behavior. So with this regards, I really thank to Arnav school and entire family for bringing us child to this level. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Anu's parents. Now let's welcome Bhavishya's parents. That's Mr. Naveen and Mrs. Kavita. Oh, she's asking. Kavita is asking, hold her hands and then walk. That's good. What are you dressed as? We want to know what you are dressed as.
To be honest, we didn't plan anything, but we can say it as Indian tradition. I'm not an Indian tradition, but with this opportunity, I just want to give a big thank for all the aunties and the working staff, as well as Sunita Mukherjee especially. And it's been a wonderful experience now, 3 years with. Thank you.
Now it's time to welcome Dhruti Patil's parents. We are very happy. Auntie is saying that it's very nice to see you. Let's do the round walk, please.
You just have to tell us what you're talking to me.
I was really sick, so I just came with the dress because auntie always says come in some Indian restaurant.
Okay, you can talk.
Thank you very much. Actually, both are kids have studies in same mistake I'm doing. Last year also I did the same. I wish I had one more kid. I don't have. So, but our association will not discontinue here. Here we would like to visit you guys very often. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dhruti Patil's parents. Now it's time to welcome Jagrav's parents, Mrs. Meenakshi and Mr. Hiran. Oh, that's a nice fancy place. Start the round walk.
What's the name?
We are basically from Gujarat, and now I don't require introduction, right? You can just know from my dresses that we wear traditional Gujarati dresses. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you. Here comes Khadija's parents.
As you know, the Muslim costumes are very heavy and we have a lot of jewels. And when I got married, I was barely 60 kgs. And my husband was very concerned that I'm very lean. And so now when I realize that I have to wear the same dress today, it's not fitting me anymore. So maybe next year for Bilal's graduation, hopefully I'll fit in. Actually, our journey for the Montessori methodology began when Khadija was just like 1.5 years old. Almost from Bannerghatta Road up till Koramangala, we've travelled every single day by auto because we were so impressed with the Montessori materials and the methodology. Finally, we shifted from Bannerghatta Road to Koramangala. We're very happy with the methodology, and we've also enrolled Khadija into the elementary Montessori school now. And as long as possible, we hope that our children will get the Montessori advantage. And of course, we're very grateful to Dr. Sumita and her passion. And I always tell my friends that somewhere Dr. Maria Montessori's soul must be wandering around Arunodaya.
I am not doctor, my children are doctor, my husband is doctor.
Thank you so much. Khadija's parents, we are here. Now let's put our hands together and welcome Parth and Piya's parents. What your dress stands, I think
I have a question first of all. Is there a reason why the song changed to Badtameez after we So, we are dressed as a Sindhi family and auntie said fancy dress, so we are dressed in different colors from head to toe, so as fancy as it gets.
Thank you so much. Now it's time to welcome Pramad's parents, Mrs. Rupa and Praveen. Rambo, Rupa, right? What's in your hands? Yes.
Well, everybody's wondering what am I dressed? I'm a going to be trained as Montessorian and I represent all the hard work what all the aunties have gone through to be at this stage, and I know what the pain what they have gone through and how much dedication they have given to become Montessorians. So on the whole, this is what I represent, and I'm very thankful for the opportunity what I've got here in this school, and I don't have words to share.
Thank you so much, Pramad's parents. It's time for Rochana's parents. Let's know what you're dressed as.
traditional South Indian this thing. You all know it, this thing. I do not tell anything more regarding Mukherjee Aunty, all this stuff, this thing. I am about for 15 years I am having contact with this Vijay Aunty and all. I know Arunadai very well. What can I say? You all know that what is Arunadai. Again, I could not tell anything. Very best school I have. I know that. I am very much thankful to Arunadai family and aunties, everybody. I am always having in future also. I am very good. I want to keep some very good relationship. Whenever from my side, any help is there, I am always with Arunadai family. That's what I say. Thank you very much, Mukherjee Aunty, Vijay Aunty, and all.
Thank you. He's looking typical South Indian man, going first and the ladies following the man. It's time to welcome Samad's parents. Samad's mother is already ready. Good. That's the spirit. It's a good number to dance.
We are dressed as South Indian dress, traditional dress. So we are happy that our son is in Arunadai, and also we have decided for my second son we are going to send it to Arunadai. But still we feel sad that Samarth is not coming next year to Arunadai. Thank you one and all for everyone.
Thank you so much. And of course the last, Dakshil's parents. Very nice.
When they mentioned fancy dress, I think I took it very literally. But since my husband is not in town, I think I made up for both of us. And Arunadai is a very special school. When Takshil was born, we tried to name him with many names. It took us 3 months to name him. The main meaning of Takshil is person with a strong character. He was a disciple of the Buddha. So when I came to Arunadai and I met Auntie, I knew that he will fit in here because she is a person with a strong character too. So it has been a very, very encouraging 4 years in fact for us here. They have taken very, very special care of Takshil in all stages, and it's a special school and we are lucky to be here. And well, for the fancy dress, I'm a peacock, so I'll show you a few actions. I paid for it, so. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Takshil's mother. Takshil's mother, please come back. And I think we all are going to have a round walk. Please start from here. Takshil's mother here.
मेरा मूड में डांस करेगा, किसी का डैडी से नहीं डरेगा, इसको जो भी है करना वो कर लो, इधर ही मैं हूँ करा पकड़ लो, घर पे जाके तुम गूगल कर लो, मेरी बारी में विकिपीडिया पे पढ़ लो।
lucky, you can rest till then.
know the winner.
Welcome our friends who are ready in the traditional attire.
Jagrat, smile, smile. Akshay. Sing along. Go down.
তোদের ডাক দিয়েছে আয় রে চলে আয় 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 নেশায় উঠলো মেতে দেখবো জোড়া ধানের খেতে হাওয়ার নেশা উঠলো মেতে দেখবো জোড়া ধানের খেতে রোদের সোনা ছড়িয়ে পড়ে রোদের সোনা ছড়িয়ে পড়ে মাটির আসলে মরি হায় 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 ও তোদের ডাক দিয়েছে আয় রে চলে আয় 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 ও তোদের ডাক দিয়েছে আয় রে চলে আয় 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 খুশি শুনে শুনে আকাশ খুশি হলো আজকে রবে গো খোলো খোলো দুয়ার খোলো 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 দুয়ার খোলো মাঠের বাঁশি শুনে শুনে আকাশ খুশি হলো ঘরেতে আজকে রবে গো খোলো দুয়ার খোলো 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 দুয়ার খোলো আলোর হাসি উঠলো জেগে গানে শিশির শিশির লেগে মানুষ হাসি উঠলো জেগে গানে শিশির শিশির লেগে ধরায় খুশি ধরে না গো ওই যে খুশি ধরে না গো ওই যে উঠালে মরি হায় 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 তোদের ডাক দিয়েছে আয় রে চলে আয় 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 তোদের ডাক দিয়েছে আয় রে চলে আয় 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 ডালা দিতার ভরেছে আজ পাকা ফসলে মরি হায় হায় তোদের ডাক দিয়েছে আয় রে চলে আয় 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 তোদের ডাক দিয়েছে আয় রে চলে আয় 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 It is a good day, but it is a very sad day for me. Every day I used to feel that day will not pass. Let this day be there, because one more day means one more day is gone. It's a very sad day, but every year I get that sad day, but it's a very happy day also. And I have started doing the reunion. I don't know how long I will live, but I'll do that. 100 years old if I am, I won't be able to talk. I won't be able to walk. Yeah. So, but this year, every year it comes a sad day, and every year I feel, oh my God, they shouldn't have left. No, by this time also I could have had the primary section. So that's okay. Anyway, they're going for good. They're going to good school, and I wish their, happy future and great future. They'll be a good man. I know good human beings rather. Say they will become. They have now. So far I can see. So let us see what happens to them. And here is Nikhil and Niharika. I want them to talk something before the parents give. Nikhil, she wants to say something to us. Today's chief guest, like Dr. Montessori used to say, the parents would do the program and children will be the chief guest. No, so today is a great success for me. At least the senior, the ex-students are my chief guests. Please come. Say a few words, Niharika. Or first Nikhilesh. Come.
He has his paper. Hold it.
Nikhilesh, good morning. Congratulations for a graduation day. Thank you for inviting me and have fun on graduation day. Enjoy the day. And when I was small, I also was in this school.
তোমার ওয়েবসাইটে
ফেসবুকে আমি ঢেলে দিচ্ছি আপনার অরুণোদয় আছে তো
আছে তো জানি আমি লাইক করেছি মাকে দিয়ে লাইক করেছি বাবাকে দিয়ে লাইক করেছি কামিয়া ওটার নাম কি
নিখিল আর নিহারিকা
না না ওটা
Good morning, everybody. My name is Niharika. I thank Sumita aunty for helping me growing up. I thank all the teachers of Arunodaya.
So if someone time is there, the children are changing their dress. No, if they want to share with us also, they can share with us. And not only all these positive things, I want some negative things. Then I can improve. I like criticism. If you criticize me, then I can go for further improvement. Okay, I won't feel bad. That is my request.
There's an announcement for you, a good news that on the Facebook we have uploaded all the videos. So you can view it and they have to please like the Arunodaya Montessori page and then you can view all the videos and photos till 2013. All of you are happy? Oh yes. Big round of applause for that. I know it's the person who's worked behind this. So I think it's our Abhirup. So thank you Abhirup. Thanks a lot. There's so much of pressure you've done.
You've done that.
Good morning, all. I think we were the only one who wouldn't get a chance to talk. Maybe possibly. Yeah, I think in a way we were very lucky with having Mr. Malikam as a neighbor, because when our son grew up to 2.5 years, we are like every other parents, we are also confused what to do. Should we send them to a school where he can build his body by carrying all those 3 kg, 4 kg bags, or come back to home and then sit on a bunch of books doing homeworks? We are all confused. One thing we were very clear was that we will not let our son spend his early days doing homework or carrying bags. We will let him live his life, enjoy his life, wear whatever he wants, do whatever he would like to do. And we are confused how we can do this. And then one day we stepped into Mr. Malikamwala's room, flat next to us. And he said us, he gave us suggestions. If you want to try out, there's a school that our daughter is going to. I know it's very far and they don't provide you transportation, etc. But maybe you can just go there and visit there for a few hours and take a call. And then they shared us Vidya and his number, and we called her. She said, you can come here and maybe you can see what is happening there. So we spent half an hour here, and possibly that half an hour has, I would say, and then after the half an hour we decided that it's going to be day. And I can tell you that possibly has been the biggest investment I've ever done so far in my life. That the decision of sending my son to this school. There are lots of things going in my mind in a half an hour, because I'm working in a company there in Infosys in electronicity, and I have to come in the morning, drop in here, all the way through the traffic, go back, and maybe in like 12 o'clock, 12:30, I have to come back here, pick him back. And it's about people working in the IT industry, it's very uncertain. The life there is calls, conferences, client meeting, etc. So I was, at the half an hour, everything was going through my mind, what should I do? But I said, okay, having seen the environment, I said, I'll invest the next 3.5 hours, all the struggles, all the traffic jams, etc. for this, and let's see. And I think, as I said, I can probably say, that investment which I have done for the last 2.5, 3 years, as I said, the biggest puzzle I've ever done in my life. The way my son has transformed from a 2.5-year-old boy to the current 5-year-old boy now he is, it's been tremendous. And yeah, like my friend was saying, there was questions around people asking, can your son read it? Can your son spell it from A to Z? Can you say C8 is cat, 1 + 1 is 2? We always have an answer.
he don't know what is C, he don't know what is A, he doesn't know what is T. But if you give him 3 letters CAT, he can say it's cat. If you give him 3 letters MAT, he can say it's mat. He doesn't know what is M, what is A, what is T, because he is not taught, he is trained. And he understands what is life, how to clean clothes, how to wash plates, how to live, what does green means, what does red means, what does orange means, why people stop at signals. So he was not taught, he was trained. And I think it's been an amazing experience that people should actually get the children going to schools where they can spend their life on their own than going with all 6 kg, 7 kg bags and then uniforms. I think I would thank all the analysts and maybe especially even Sumita Madam. It's been amazing. The work we have been doing is unmatchable. Thanks for that.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. Any other parents?
Only couple of things because today's education has become very commercial, right? There's more of money-oriented education. What I like about Montessori is that they give utmost importance to the child development. I've never felt that this system, what Madam is doing, is commercial. So this is the most, I like the most thing about this thing. And another that they give really very good respect to children, right? They really they treat him like heroes, right? So and children feel they feel very respected, and that is the most important thing that you can give until they are growing up till 7 or 6, right? Because mostly the children are really neglected in some way, but here they give a lot of importance. So that's it. I feel really very good to. My son is a part of this school. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Morning. Thing is, first when I bought my son for the first year, Auntie said that it is a very different than to others. Don't feel inferior when your child doesn't say anything in front of other children of comparing that age. That I found stuck once. No, might be. But when I put him after this UKG, the last year, they just jumped like that they are the first and the others are behind. That things what we feel that we should not feel inferior while our children doesn't say anything in the beginning of 1 or 2 years. The thing is that how they're going to chase it. Auntie teaches them that their mind is growing up till 5 or 6 years, 90 to 95%. So that catching and use of that 90 to 95% they take in the last year, and it gives so much help that till age. My son is in 5th. I don't require tuition for him. He is studying himself anything. If he finds some problem, he asks me. But he never asked me that, Papa, I need tuition. Because of that, what is being taught by Auntie and Vidya Auntie and the other aunties, that he is teaching himself each and every, the coming chapter, the coming thing, everything. That he is learning himself, grabbing himself, and even his teachers in the school says, yes, father, we are really very sorry. He doesn't allow to teach. As soon as he gets a problem, he stands and says, first you explain me this. Then you continue. They said he is not living for a minute to wait. I said that has been taught by his base. I can't say anything. And it is being regularly they say that why this children is not waiting. I said, madam, he is taking attention to yours. That you should not leave him that you miss something or he is miss something. So that the thing is what I found, that what he is catching. For that only, even my brothers, his wife is not interested that no, my child is going to feel inferior. I force them, no, go in this school only, I know what is going to be. And what they are now, I know that. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much. We have enjoyed having their whole family here actually. Yash Kotari to Anushka, completely. Next year I think Naitik is going to graduate.
even though I said about keeping me away from homework and lighter note, but we exactly knew what Arunodaya is doing, and we knew what Montessori is all about. And I completely agree with the first three speakers. So this time I have a criticism. The criticism is while introducing Alan, you said about perseverance. I said the biggest perseverance, commitment and dedication one should have for booking a ticket in IRCTC. I take all the pain, book the ticket for 4 months in advance, then I come to know that this is not a holiday. So what I requested many times to Arunodaya is publish the calendar upfront. At least it would be very easy for us to plan our vacations, for us to plan our travels. And that did not happen for all the 4 years, and I paid many amount in cancellation. Hope the next set of parents will not have to pay that amount.
Thank you so much, Alan's father. We'll definitely take care of it. Auntie, we shall tell him that the future parents, we will declare the calendar. On behalf of you, I'm telling it, Auntie.
Thank you so much. Really, I am thinking also on that ground to make it a calendar.
I just, good afternoon everybody. I just want to take this opportunity to thank from the bottom of my heart to Mrs. Sudhita Mukherjee and Vidya Auntie and all the teachers that have trained Pia and Path. I have no words. I know that when we came here first, I think Pia and Path were the last to come in, and literally we were standing outside on the gate that please take Pia Path, please take Pia Path. 2 times we were sent back, and one day we got Pia Path when they were just 2.5 years old. They were walking and trotting along, and one look at them and Vidya Auntie that you did a very bad job. They are so adorable, we cannot say no to them. And then she said, okay, you wait here, let Pia Path go inside the room first. That's how the admission in Arunodaya had taken place. Pia Path went into Mrs. Sudhita Mukherjee's room, and Auntie said, these 2 are the children. Oh yeah. She said, oh, but it is very different. I said, yeah, these kids are also like, you know, and immediately I got the difference there and there. These are not kids, these are children. And that's the biggest learning. Why I tell this, my children are actually living the life of childhood because of Montessori. They are individuals, they are not following the pack, they are leaders among themselves. And the biggest feedback that I ever got is any social event, any function, any relative, any friend that they come across, the first thing they say is, your children are very happy. Where do they go and where do they study? The reason being is, they are so much in love with education. Anywhere they see, they just try to learn. It's a difficult task for us because any hotel that passes, any banner that passes, Pia Path just, Mama wo kya tha? Mama wo kya tha? I have to keep doing that through the road. And they have started reading newspapers. Pia has become like a small teacher to many kids in the community. A lot of learnings. My biggest takeaway this is, thank you for making them individuals, believing in themselves. That's the biggest gift they have. They are strong individuals, they have a mind of their own, which I don't think so in any commercialized school that they could have learned it. Thank you ma'am very much, and thank you very much Manjula Auntie. Had a disobedience behavior, and I think 2 years effort she has put that to make Pia into a very softer, intelligent and a kind-hearted person. So I don't think so that any school would have taught that apart from this one. Thank you very much. And Manjula Auntie, for me at least, and Path, you're the prettiest teacher in the world right now. And he loves coming to school every morning when he was crying when the teacher had changed, Auntie had changed for him. I used to remind him, he used to tell he loves your eyes. Just to have a look at those eyes, he used to get up, dress up and come to school. And a few days back when I was telling that this will be last, so he said, can you call all my aunties to our house for lunch or dinner? So hopefully we will plan someday if that is outside this premises, because both of them want to invite and show up in their house what they do, mopping, cleaning, and I told them they'll do all themselves and they have agreed to do that, so we'll see. Thank you very much.
Leave space, leave space. Arun is coming.
Chakalaji chacho chakaloram gando wando lakarakatam akko takko hidibai chiki chakacho gili gili mal sulu sulu mal matana buku bukuri chakalaka bikko chikko sili 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 go bagradum chakladum chiki chakacho
खाब बुल्ले
Chacho chakaloram gando wando lakadakatam akko takko idi gidi gidi go idi pai chiki chakacho gili gili mal sulu sulu mal makaraka hukubukure tukubukure chakalaka bikko chikko sili sili go bagradum chiki chakacho पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है
कोई बारिश है या आसमान में छोड़ दिए हैं कल खुले कहीं हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही जैसी नजर अपनी ये सोचे चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बोल मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं ऐसे भी सोचो ना सोचो सूरज रोज न आए या पल भिगोगे ये बुद्धू बनाए होंगे ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़ा बनाते दरवाजे खोल रे हो जा बिंदास बोल रे मैं भी हूँ तू भी है मैं भी तू भी हम सब मिलके बम 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 ऐसी रंगों भरी अपनी दुनिया है क्यों सोचो तो सोचो ना प्यार से चुन के इन रंगों को किसी ने सजाया ये संसार है जो इतनी सुंदर है अपनी दुनिया क्या कोई कलाकार है
Yes, victory. One sitting in front, do it in front like this.
Alangutta.
सब लोग कराटे जो you.
Rachana. Lift up. Others, that side. See the camera.
The children join the Montessori house when they are 2.5. The three powers, that is the intelligence, the voluntary movements, willpower, coordinate and work together. This is nourished and built as they grow up to be a strong personality, as their foundation is from a Montessori house.
Parents also can sing along with us.
তবলাতে একটা মাইক দে তো গিয়ে গেম তবলাতে মাইকটা ধর তুই যা তবলা
तबला तबला
काटी काटी पे घोड़ा घोड़े के दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 धूम उठा के दौड़ा लकड़ी की काटी काटी पे घोड़ा घोड़े पे दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा दौड़ा आदर्श दुम उठा के दौड़ा दौड़ा पंचा चौक में
আরেকটা মাইক ধর গিয়ে
पटाके दौड़ा लकड़ी की काटी काटी पे घोड़ा घोड़े के दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम पटाके दौड़ा घोड़ा था घमंडी पहुंचा सब्जी मंडी सब्जी मंडी में बर्फ पड़ी थी बर्फ में लग गई ठंडी टपक 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 घोड़ा था घमंडी पहुंचा सब्जी मंडी में बर्फ पड़ी थी बर्फ में लग गई ठंडी दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम पटाके दौड़ा लकड़ी की काटी काटी पे घोड़ा घोड़े के दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम पटाके दौड़ा घोड़ा अपना तगड़ा है देखो कितनी चर्बी है चलता है मेहरोली में पर घोड़ा अपना अरबी है टकबक टकबक घोड़ा अपना तगड़ा है देखो कितनी चर्बी है चलता है मेहरोली में पर घोड़ा अपना अरबी है दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम पटाके दौड़ा लकड़ी के काटी काटी पे घोड़ा घोड़े के दुम पे मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम पटाके दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम पटाके दौड़ा 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 दुम पटाके दौड़ा.
So the song is for you, huh? Okay? What happened to you, darling? Want to take the cap out? Okay, that's fine. So I have to say, my dear darling, arise and awake. Always be in happiness. When you are getting up in the morning, you get up happily and do your work happily. And what you do, be brave, be frank, and be a very honest person. Okay. When you cannot do the home task, you don't say I can't. Or without doing home task, I will not go to school and all. We are not supposed to say. Be always happy. If you cannot do, or if you can do, remain always happy. If you are, sometimes you are very happy, now very delighted, and you are in a very bad mood, that means you are distressed. You know that you have got the blessings of those elders. You remember and be happy. Don't feel bad. You may get you get honored by somebody. You may get insulted by somebody, but don't feel bad. You forgive those people who has insulted you, okay? And be very happy. Be brave, be frank, be honest and happy. No? That's all these things we want to say to you. But my mother tongue is Bengali, isn't it? So I am singing a Bengali song that meaning is this. Okay? That's fine? বলো হে আনন্দ গানে সদা থাকো আনন্দে সংকটে সম্বলে থাকো কল্যাণে থাকো আনন্দে নিন্দাপমানে সংকটে সম্পদে থাকো কল্যাণে থাকো আনন্দে নিন্দাপমানে সবারে ক্ষমা করি থাকো আনন্দে সবারে ক্ষমা করি থাকো আনন্দে চিরমৃত হৃদয়ে শান্তি অসমানে সদা থাকো আনন্দে সদা থাকো আনন্দে সদা থাকো আনন্দে সংসারে নির্ভয়ে নির্মল প্রাণে সদা থাকো আনন্দে সদা থাকো আনন্দে সদা